Hello everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a beauty director at Sephora.
And it's Jeffrey here, also a beauty director.
And today's video is going to be about different hair products for different hair concerns, how to address things that may be stressing you out with your hair, and some really easy products that you can get a quick solution and just fix that hair problem. I think there's some like best sellers, heavy hitters, some really cool things that Jeffrey and I gravitate towards when our hair is just like doing the most.
We'll be talking about several different categories, like how to address frizz, maybe dryness or damage in the hair, and then even how to take a look at your scalp and get your scalp feeling healthy again too. So this is definitely a fun video if you're looking for a new product to incorporate into your hair routine.
So the first thing we're going to talk about is the scalp. I think people forget that your scalp is a part of your skin. People take such good care of their skin and they just don't address their scalp. Any dermatologist will tell you, as far as cleansing your hair, the health concern comes in when you don't cleanse your scalp. You want to maintain a healthy scalp because you just want to make sure that you're not experiencing itchiness. It helps your hair to grow if your scalp is very healthy. So something you can do is use a scalp scrub. So this is from Drunk Elephant. This is the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. So this is really unique because not only does it have that sort of, traditional sort of friction or physical exfoliation with biodegradable microbeads, but it also has a chemical exfoliation. Like, we love chemical exfoliation. It like makes the world go around, at least for me and Jeffrey. So it has some so it has a 10% AHA BHA blend with lots of like fruit acids and good for you things. The same stuff that makes your face really smooth and exfoliated for your scalp. It also has a really cool nozzle. I know sometimes with scalp exfoliation, the application can be an issue. So I would section the hair and just go in with the nozzle. And I like to just put my fingertips in my hair and just agitate it basically and just rinse it out like normal. It also has magongo and marula oil. If you use Drunk Elephant, you know that marula oil is like their star ingredient. So you're exfoliating and lifting up all that dead skin and gunk, but you're also depositing oil, so it's hydrating, so you won't have that itchiness left afterwards. But definitely a really good product to look into if you experience even occasional oiliness or itchiness of the scalp.
Yeah, I really do love the fact that they put this little tip on there. Just that goes a really long way, especially when you're trying to really target.
But definitely, if you are feeling like you have issues with retaining length, itchiness, dryness, or if you have fine hair and you feel like your scalp is just oily and your hair's flat all the time, there are so many different reasons visually, but health-wise, you should be taking care of your scalp.
Absolutely. So next up, we're going to be addressing a concern that I actually experience myself sometimes, and that's damage. Now, damage can happen in a lot of ways. I think most people automatically jump to kind of like chemical treating and things like that, but you can experience damage from even long time sun exposure or, anything. Chemicals in pools and things like that can really kind of wreak havoc on the hair. And essentially what that damage can sometimes manifest is sort of either holes in the hair, or maybe the cuticle is raised and lifted and looks dull and kind of jagged. Now, what this product does, this is actually from Olaplex, and this is the number 0 treatment, is this actually goes to work to kind of bond to the hair and smooth out the hair shaft. Again, sort of sealing the cuticle, giving you a beautiful shine, and then also helping to kind of fix any damage that may have been done by chemical processing. So this is actually a really cool sort of at-home version of their 1 and 2 treatment that they offer in salon. Now, I've actually had my colorist mix in the 1 and 2 to my hair color to kind of help during that process, but it's really great to know that I have this sort of like intensive bond building hair treatment that I can incorporate into my routine. It's really kind of cool. If you can hear it, see it, it's very kind of fluid. Yeah, very fluid. So I kind of almost think of this like a serum or a carrier serum. So I'll put that in the hair, and then they actually ask you to finish up with the number 3 treatment, and these two work together to really create that really healthy appearance again. Like, I've found that after using Olaplex, like, my hair always looks really shiny and the curl pattern looks like really back to its normal health status. Like, sometimes after I color treat, like, no lie, I'll have like little noodles that just hang out and do their own thing. And then this again really helps to encourage that curl pattern to come back to life.
So I think it's cool because Olaplex is, if you look at their Instagram, it's beautiful with all these professional like color treatments that they do. And as Jeffrey said, he mixes it in when he colors his hair, especially with bleaching the hair. It helps to minimize the damage that you experience. But it's also amazing for curly hair, like he was saying. Like I got my first curly cut and I saw the Olaplex 1 and 2 treatment on the menu with my curl stylist, and I was like, I could have been using Olaplex's. There's a whole time I was regrowing my hair, so I get it done twice a year, the 1 and 2, but I haven't had a chance to get to my hairstylist because, you know, of quarantines. I can do this now to keep up with my regular schedule of getting the 1 and 2 every 6 months, and the range is like taken over my little hair shelf. Like you can fit Olaplex into any step in your routine. There's an oil, there's a shampoo, conditioner, but I would definitely start with the 3, which is what I always recommend when people have damage, but now with the 0, this is like more of a jump start. I definitely kind of keep this as my insurance policy, even though I don't do much to my hair to damage it. I just want to make sure it stays at like 0.0, which is like
0.0. I love it. That's like literally perfect for this.
Yeah. Our next product is for dryness. In particular, shine. I feel like shine has a lot to do with the hydration of the hair, so it definitely makes sense. So this is the Flash Instant Shine Mask from Amica. First off, Amica makes the cutest packaging ever. Like, they always make the cutest packaging. So this kind of reminds me of something my mom used to always do to her hair after she dyed it. She put like this clear gloss thing over it to make it really shiny, because your hair can become really porous and kind of dry after you color it. This has different application depending on the texture of your hair. So if you have finer hair that's easily weighed down, you would use this in place of a conditioner for I think 60 seconds, which blows my mind. So you can do it in the shower. And if you have thicker or coarser hair, you would do this after you condition for 60 seconds. So you can totally do it in the shower and then wait 60 seconds and rinse it out. It's gonna give your hair this really beautiful hydration and shine. Like the feeling of it kind of feels like a glossy, slippy feel, but then as you rub it on, which I really like, it dissipates into just hydration. Like it doesn't leave a film. Which I always like to see if there's a film left on my hands when I kind of touch hair products to see how it's going to feel, because I have very porous hair and I want hydration to be able to get in and out. I don't want to lock too many things in. It also has hydrolyzed flaxseed. I know flaxseed is a really popular DIY ingredient for hair, like making your own mask and gel and things like that. But when you see the word hydrolyzed, it means that in a lab it was made to, the proteins were broken down and made smaller, so it actually works much better on the hair. It also has an amino acid complex, and amino acids, every time you hear that, I feel like it's like good and healthy, but it helps to smooth the hair and improve the elasticity of the hair. If you experience breakage, which I could hear my hair snap sometimes. I experience breakage on the regular, so I definitely think this is something I'm going to incorporate. I have been like having very late. No, I have. It's so true. I have very high porosity hair, and I am so gentle with my hair. I sleep on only silk and satin. I was telling you earlier, like if you have like a corduroy jacket on, you cannot hug me. You can't touch my hair because I will hear it break. So for me, anything that improves elasticity, like I'm all about. And we won't go into like the low porosity hair or high porosity thing too much, but just know high porosity hair is very prone to breakage, and I naturally have high porosity hair. So this is something I'm going to incorporate because 60 seconds, I'm all about it.
It almost feels like a lip gloss, but for your hair.
It does. It has that like slip,
like,
but it dissipates.
Not sticky, but it goes away.
But it dissipates.
Like it gives you that shine. Yeah, like you're like,
yeah.
I can see the shininess even on my hands, like, but I can feel like it's not sticky, like you said. Yeah, it like sinks in.
It starts out as a slippery, smooth, serum-y thing, and then as you rub it in, it just kind of like breaks apart and becomes like this moisturizing, watery consistency, which what I look for, because I want moisture to be able to get in and out of my hair however I need to. So definitely good for, I would say, all hair types, but again, use it as a conditioner for finer hair and after your conditioner for coarser hair. So another product in the dryness category is from Moroccan Oil. This is the all-in-one leave-in conditioner. So this actually has heat protection too, which I thought was really cool. Another product that has amino acids in it. Amino acids are great for the strength of the hair. Like the last one we talked about, elasticity and strength are, you know, directly related. I like the consistency of it. So anytime I see a leave-in conditioner, some leave-in conditioners are just straight up water-based, and some are more of like a milky situation. So if you want to know like the weight of a product, I usually just spray a lot of it in my hand. You can see it's kind of like a watered down cream. It kind of breaks down really nicely. So I always play with my hair products in my hand to see how they're going to break down on my hair. As you can see, that like bottom portion is just completely watery. So it's going to soak right into the hair really nicely. If you have finer hair, you might want to put this on the lengths or the ends of your hair. But if you have coarse hair like mine, you can kind of put it everywhere, root to tip. It could be a style refresher. It can be a moisturizer. A lot of times, especially those of us with curly hair or just in general, we tend to put a lot of like hairspray or edge control, things like that in certain areas. So I like to make sure I go in and like spray that area with moisture depending on the day, just because I know it kind of goes through a lot. So this is really great to have, I think, for anybody, because everybody needs some sort of like quick hydration spray.
Yeah. And then, you know, this Moroccan Oil is really known for infusing all their products with argan oil again, that really, really rich, sort of ultra nourishing, rich in fatty acid oil. But then with this, you're getting kind of like that lightweight texture. So you get the benefits of the argan oil, but in a texture that's maybe more user friendly. Honestly, I really feel like this could be good for any hair type. So like anybody out there could probably benefit from using this.
Yeah.
I'm a fan. So this next product is really designed to fight frizz. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that tend to experience this concern, and there's a lot of reasons that can cause it. For some people, it's humidity. For some people, it's dryness. What I love is from Kerastase. This is going to be the Elixir Ultime. Now, I fell in love with Kerastase, I want to say sometime maybe about a year and a half ago, 2 years. And it was really through their Blonde Absolute range. But then I started to experiment with more of the products in the brand. And when I tell you, like, it's the epitome of hair luxury, I'm just like, ugh. Can you talk about this packaging? Like, look at it. It looks like literally like a diamond. So this is going to be infused with a lot of beautiful oils and smoothers like amla oil, marula oil. And basically what that does is gives the hair a beautiful slip and sort of seals the cuticle so that the hair can lay smoothly on itself and not really stand up, or there's not too much friction happening within the hair follicles, if that makes sense. Honestly, I feel like anybody that wants to kind of seal in hydration, this is a really beautiful product. So like, I would say use some of those beautiful like leave-in conditioners like a Moroccan Oil, or maybe even a hair serum, like something more water-based, and then finish up with this. And again, that's going to lock in all of those beautiful hydrators and sort of give you that overall finished, healthy shine, if that makes sense.
Just default to oils being sealant. So if your hair is feeling dry and it's just been through it, you want to do something like Jeffrey said, like the Moroccan Oil all-in-one, and then you can finish up with the oil. It's kind of like putting a bubble wrap on something that's nicely done. So that helps to smooth. Or you can put it on the ends of your hair, only where you get I would say less is more. Like, don't go overboard with this. You only need a tiny bit. Blend it into the hands and then put on the hair. Don't just like... I've seen people do that before.
Rake through, or there's all sorts of, like you said, there's all sorts of different ways that you can do it. You can rake it through if you have curly hair. If you're somebody who has straight hair, you can literally kind of do a press, and that even that heat will intensify the sleekness and the finish. Or, like I said, if you're somebody that does like a pulled back style, you can actually even take a little bit on like a small brush or something like that and kind of smooth flyaways with it is really great. So I would say this is definitely another one of those products that's really great for anybody, and I think can fit into anyone's routine. It's kind of one of those need to have hair products.
And definitely listen to your hair. Some days, you know, my hair needs more hydration. That's more of a cream base or water base or whatever it may be. Kind of like your skin. Your skin doesn't feel the same every single day. So you can kind of have some of these as backups to those bad hair days or like unruly hair days. Like, that's why my hair is up in this half up, half down, because bangs did not want to do the thing today. So like, listen to your hair and play with your hair and give your hair the things it needs. Maybe in the comment section below, drop the concern that you're fighting. For me, it's always hydration, always fighting that front. Is it frizz, is it damage, whatever it may be. Go ahead and put that below, and definitely subscribe so you don't miss any fun content from Sephora, and we'll see you next time. Bye.